We are building our own deck, and I never realized the amount of tools you end up needing to make it look as professional as possible. We needed to cut long, straight cuts, and we're finding that we couldn't get the cut straight enough. Something would always slide, and it just wasn't straight enough for us. So we went ahead and got this circular saw track. Now this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. We got 2 of them because we have a long length of wood to cut. Let's go cut the wood for the first time with this circular saw track and see how it is. One reason why we got this saw track is also that it helps with chips on the edges. We noticed when we were cutting wood, there would be some chips, and we did not like that. This is supposed to keep that from happening, so let's see if that's also true. It would take us a while to make sure everything was aligned before sawing, but with this track, it took us no more than 5 minutes to make sure everything was aligned and ready to cut. Pay attention to the blue dust that's dropping onto the wood. The reason this happens on your first cut is that everyone's saw is different, and to ensure you really get a custom fit, there's excess blue siding that cuts to measure up with your saw. Once this happens, then it's almost like a perfect fit for your saw, which I actually really like. We noticed that because of the vibrations from cutting, the attachment seemed like it loosened up, so when you're doing bigger projects, make sure you turn it around to ensure the screws are still appropriately secured so you can get that straight cut. You'll be able to feel it when you hold it, so you'll know when to check. Look how straight the cut is though, and note that there are no chips at the ends. This has made things so efficient for us and is such a convenient tool, especially for demanding projects like this deck.